I was once a high-functioning alcoholic that needed at least 30 shots a day or I would die. Physically addicted, emotionally dependent. I was flying high, celebrity DJ, surrounded by thousands of people all the time, all the free alcohol I could ever possibly imagine. But deep down, I knew there was something wrong, disconnected, unhealthy, unfulfilled, and I let it go way too far. I lost everything. My house, my car, my job, my friends, and then my body. It took me 18 months to recover from liver failure. And that is when my real life began. I immersed myself in the world of science, of experimentation, of curiosity. I hired mentors and coaches and studied diligently every single day. I was stuck on the couch. I could barely even walk, let alone barely even think. I was seeking answers and exploring the mind-body connection. There has to be a way that I could become someone greater than my pain and my trauma. What I discovered was next level. Our thoughts, our emotions, our behaviors are predictable and programmable. I found out that I had a set of beliefs from the old version of me that made me sick, that kept me ill. And the way I was thinking was literally making me depressed, amplifying my anxiety. Once I learned that my thoughts can keep me sick, I also learned that my thoughts can keep me well. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to completely rewire itself and adapt. Once I understood that, I became unstoppable. I learned that by reshaping my thoughts and beliefs, I can reshape my entire life, my entire future. And I did. Through meditation, self-reflection, physical exercise, I started rewiring my mind with intent and purpose. I eventually replaced my negative patterns with positive ones. I became an architect of my own healing. But it wasn't just about the mind. I started to understand the power of movement, power of energy stuck in your body, waiting to be released. By treating my body like a temple and respecting this machine that's kept me alive, I created a harmonious environment for transformation to occur. I became a completely different person. Not only did I overcome and completely break my addiction to alcohol, I shattered my emotional dependency on the poison. I witnessed my body healing from conditions from most people that would say are incurable. I became a living testament to the incredible potential living inside each one of us. Here I am, 6 years later, letting you know that you also have the power to heal, to create your own miraculous transformation. Through the science-based techniques that I learned and I practice every day, you can tap into your unlimited potential. If I can do it, so can you. I'm encouraging you to join me on this journey of self-discovery, and together we can unlock the extraordinary healing power locked deep inside each one of us.